Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are keeping good and staying at home. So in today's video, I'm going to share 5 different kinds of fun activities using paper cups which you can definitely try with your kid at home during this quarantine period. So let's get started.
Steady and go. Come, let's have fun. Oh, 0 point. 1 point.
So basically, this activity will improve your child's focus and concentration skills. So this is another interesting activity with which you can develop the fine motor skills in your child. Using the cloth pin, ask your child to stack these cups using one hand only.
These are few cards and these are cups.
Using these two things, ask your child to make a tower and balance the cups. This will again contribute in the concentration and fine motor development. And plus, they will have fun too. Engaging your kid in such kind of activities like making tower, pyramid will encourage your child to think constructively. With this, it will hold your child's attention for a longer span until they master it. As you can see in this video, she has been trying since long and finding ways to succeed. I suggest you all to engage your child in such kind of activities, especially when you are busy and at the same time you want your child also to engage in something productive. Okay, here comes the last activity of the day, and I guess it does not need any kind of explanation as the video says it all. If this video was helpful for you, then please hit that like button and subscribe our channel for more such videos. Please do share this video with your family and friends, and definitely with the ones who have kids. Thanks for watching.